This visualization looks at Haitian households' access to credit. It uses data from FAFO and the Haitian Institute of Childhood. This map shows the number of respondents in a given department who have access to a given credit type. For example, if I click on merchant or moneylender, this map shows that the majority of respondents who had access to credit from merchants or moneylenders were located in the metropolitan or urbanite areas. Selecting all shows maps for each credit source side by side. Here we can see that the credit by merchant or money lenders, as well as other non-relatives, is the most popular. Next are relatives, banks, and lastly, others. This appears to be consistent across departments.